Hey Mandi Maniacs. So, we are going to be reviewing the brand new Everyday Dose coffee. I saw this at Target on an end cap. It was so shiny, it grabbed my attention. I'm like, oh, I want to try that. At first, honestly, I thought it was mushroom coffee because that's what we were looking for. I'm pretty sure, no, it's not a mushroom coffee, but it looks really cool and it's like a brand new product. It says it's better for you than coffee. I don't know. I think it's cool. It's got collagen. I don't know what L-theanine is, or chaga, or lion's mane. Well, I think one of those is actually a tea. I don't know. Anyway, it says it gives you clarity and focus. And I picked out the like, oh my gosh, what am I drawing?
It comes with rechargeable frother, 3 mild roast coffee, 3 medium roast coffee, and a free recipe booklet.
Yeah, and I picked out the kit one because they have 2 different types, the mild roast and the medium roast, and I thought, oh, that's cool because that way we can try both.
I'm shocked I don't have a dark roast.
Right? I'm kind of interested. If you guys are interested in nutrition facts, let's see, mild roast, sip smarter. Tasting notes, chocolatey, smooth, and light-bodied. That's the mild. Alright. Oh, and then right down here is the medium. And it says dark chocolate, creamy, full-bodied. I think I'm gonna like that one a lot because the creamy, dark, that's up my street. So, interesting.
I'll open it up and see what there is.
And then on the back it says how to make. It's actually a powder, which is interesting. I love that it came with a frother too, because the mushroom coffee we're gonna try it needs a frother as well. So that's handy, and it's rechargeable, so you don't go through batteries. It's pretty sweet.
And you aren't worried about like batteries and liquid, you know?
That's usually not an issue. Add 1 stick pack of coffee plus 4 to 8 ounces of water. Froth for 10 to 15 seconds. So you add water basically to how strong you want it. And then froth for 10 to 15 seconds until fully dissolved. Drink it black, hot iced, or customized with milk. Ooh, that looks good. I'll probably put heavy cream with it like I do with coffee. And it says it has coffee, collagen, L-theanine, chaga, lion's mane, and nothing else. They claim it's only clean ingredients, but they are not organic, so there's that. So very cool. Low acidity. Okay, that's cool. So I think that's good for heartburn people, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So let's open it up and look at the stuff inside.
Are you serious? There we go. Okay.
Ooh, I love their packaging. The holographic is so like appealing.
This one I'm assuming is the frother.
I think so.
Oh, and then here are the powders.
Oh, and there's the recipe. Oh yeah. Oh neat. The powders are also like got the holographic recipe booklet. I don't imagine what recipes you need for this. So these are the powders, how they look.
Maybe combining stuff with your coffee.
It comes with 6 powders, and this was $15 or $14.99.
There's the cord. Here's part of the frother.
It looks like a battery.
Yeah, it does.
That's hilarious. I get it, because it's like supposed to recharge you.
And then here's the other frother.
Wait, what?
I'm just gonna see you like snap it in like that or something.
Oh, that's its case. Okay, that makes sense. So your frother stays protected.
It's big. It's really big. That's why I wouldn't fit in this box.
And then their recipe book says 5 easy, delicious coffee recipes. All right. Fruiting body extract. That sounds terrifying. Pumpkin spice latte. Let's go, you guys. That is so cool. That's neat. Okay, I just gotta say, so cool. I might try actually making that.
Also, there's something about this frother that's kind of cool. You can like turn it and then pop it open instead of just like sitting on top and like.
Interesting. So that's everything you get in the kit. 3 of the mild and 3 of the medium, and you get that cool frother with the thing. Like I said, I don't know what the hype is, but it's something different, so I'm down to try that. You guys, let me know in the comments, would you like to see a video where we try making all of these coffees from the recipe book? The pumpkin spice ooh la latte. That's awesome. Coconut, yes. Coconut collagen powder coffee. Caramel breeze. Spicy mocha latte. All right, that sounds kind of cool. Let me know if you'd like a video where we make and like try all of those. Well, for starters, let's go try this coffee. So this one's going to be mild. This one is going to be medium. And we have 8 ounces of hot water in each glass. This one is the mild, and I went and put the tiniest bit of heavy cream in it. It smells really unique, actually. It smells very earthy. Oh, wow. That is actually really good. It has a very rich coffee flavor, but it's also quite mild, which makes sense. It is the mild roast. It is very, very creamy, though. It's delicious. I would definitely recommend trying this. Here is the medium roast.
It's good. Very clean tasting coffee. No bitterness. Yeah, this is really good.